Hi everyone, I am back already. I just got so impatient because I found the world's most amazing mascara. I haven't seen a lot of people do a video on this, so I just wanted to be the first. But here it is, guys. This mascara right here, it's called, well, it's in Chinese right here, but it's called the Nice Bell DDK Silk Lash Mascara. And this mascara makes your eyelashes so long that you can actually braid them. Like, I'm not joking, guys. I think a month ago I saw one girl in an Asian app who had these super long lashes, and I thought they were lash extensions, but then I kept on seeing more girls. So I did some research and found out that this mascara was behind it all. So I finally got my hands on them, and today I'm about to unbox this, try it out. So hopefully your minds will be blown. Before I open it, guys, look at this photo in the back. So the lashes here are so short, but then look, it's almost like wearing false lashes. So you can go from this to this. It says in the packaging. Here it is. It kind of looks like any other fiber mascara. So this is probably the fiber, and this is the base and the top coat. It doesn't look like a luxury product, which I paid about $30 for. So I think that was a little too pricey. I also checked like 2 days ago, and I bought this in Amazon. It went down to $19. So make sure you don't get ripped off like me. Okay, so let's see if there's any instructions for this. Here's this little brown paper. Okay, it says, "Hello dear, thank you for buying this crazy long mascara. Before using it, please read below methods and steps carefully. It requires skills and practice." Yeah, guys, this is broken English, so it's kind of hard to understand, but I think they're just saying apply the base, put the fiber on, and apply the top. And then back here it says how to make the super long style. Now this is what I need. So do the normal first, then use tweezers. Oh, I got tweezers. Got these tweezers with the mascara. And then stick 3 lashes together, wait for them to dry, and then you apply the silk fiber, and then you twist the lashes like a thread. Ooh, okay, it's getting a little complicated. Then you apply the fiber again. You can brush it up and down and twist like a thread. Okay, let's just go ahead and try this. Okay, I'm taking the long one. I'm really not that good at following instructions, but I'm gonna try. So 3/3, right? Like right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see my top lashes because my liner is a little too thick. Okay, let's do the bottom. I have like no bottom lashes, guys. It's non-existent. Applying on the other eye, and I haven't even applied the fiber yet, and it's already really long. And now I have the silk fibers. It looks like little hair. Just be careful not to get this inside your eye. Yeah, I see them sticking pretty well. Okay, that should be enough. I probably should have curled my lashes before doing this, but I think it's a little late now. Okay, so I think the step after this is the tweezers. Okay, this is the tweezer, and it's really, really sharp. I don't know if I feel comfortable putting this near my eye. I think I'm just gonna use a lash applicator to do the part where I clump them together. I would strongly recommend not using that sharp tweezer. It's just so dangerous for your eyes. Just get something like this that has a dull tip. This is from Tweezer Man, and it's their lash applicator. So now let me just go ahead and press 3 lashes together. So I don't know if I have to do too much, maybe just the outer corners. This step is really tedious, guys. You have to just focus, get in there, and pinch. Okay, so this is the best I could do. Now let's start the whole process of building it, applying it. It's probably gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna fast forward this whole thing. Okay, this is me trying to twist, guys. I'm just doing a light press and roll. But I think I know why they want you to twist, because you want a really clean, nice strand. Whoa, look at that length, guys. It's 4 times longer than when I started. So it just keeps on getting longer and longer. All I need to do is just apply this and just keep going. These are like Yzma from Emperor Groove's Villain. Her lashes, guys. Look at this. When I did her video, I wish I had this mascara. This is insane. I could probably call the Guinness World Records and tell them I have the longest lashes, and maybe they would believe it. The upper lashes are getting kind of heavy, so it's just coming down and going straight out, but they're really long. Finally, I am done. I applied these two non-stop for like 40 minutes, and this is what I got, guys. Super long, crazy lashes. I can't believe this is all mascara. I'm curious to see what you guys think, so let me know in the comments below. I would say I'm pretty impressed. I know it looks really clumpy and messy because I had to apply almost 400 or 500 coats of these two combined, but for every day I would probably just apply like 6 or 7 sweeps of it, and it would probably give me a really nice long full lashes. So I think that is all for today. These lashes are tickling me like crazy, so I'm gonna go wash it off right away. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be back with more fun content soon. Until then, bye.